Welcome to Vbee's text-to-speech video tutorial. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to use the Vbee platform to quickly convert text into natural-sounding speech. To begin, log in to the official website Vbee. On the homepage, you'll notice two main sections under TTS Cloud. The first is a square on the main screen, and the second is located in the menu bar. Both options lead to the same feature, allowing you to convert text to speech directly. On the Use Directly screen, you'll find several important tools. Tags section. This lets you add keywords to your text, making it easier to organize and search for later. Text input box. Here, you can paste or type the content you want to convert. Be mindful of the character limit, as the system will only process up to a certain number at once. Function table. Vbee currently supports two languages, English and Vietnamese. You can also enhance your audio by inserting background music. Choose from Vbee's built-in library or upload your own file. Once you've selected the voice style, language, and any other features, click Convert. The system will then process your request. After conversion, the text and audio details appear in a results table at the bottom of the page. This table shows useful information such as content, number of characters, import time, voice type, status, action buttons. Every request will have one of two statuses, success or fail. If the conversion fails, simply delete that entry and try again. If successful, you'll see new options, including read, download, error report, and vote. To download your audio file, go to the action column, click the three-dot menu, and select download. Your generated audio will be saved directly to your computer or laptop. Please note, Vbee currently supports downloading best when you log in with Google Chrome. While you can still use Firefox or other browsers for login, the download feature is not yet available outside Chrome. That's the end of this Vbee text-to-speech tutorial. We hope this guide helps you easily create professional audio files from your text. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.